Working from home was once merely a dream for most people. Until the onslaught of the internet and home PCs, it simply wasn't feasible for companies to hire employees to work from home. And starting a small business took special know-how, a large initial investment, and a lot of advertising and marketing. But now, working from home is a reality for thousands of people, and you too can realize this dream. The first goal for your home business should be to find ways to create steady cash flow. You'll need cash flow to operate and promote your home business, and to secure a lucrative income for yourself. There are many different ways to create a cash stream for your home business. Here are 3 ideas to get you started. 1. Buy a pre-existing profitable business. One way to create an immediate cash flow is to buy a pre-existing home business that is already making a profit. Of course, you will not enjoy a profit immediately because you must invest initially. But once you are able to recover from the initial investment, you can continue receiving profits year after year. The key benefit of buying a pre-existing work-from-home business is you will gain knowledge from the previous owner about what works for the business and what doesn't work. The main disadvantage is you will have to follow in the footsteps of another instead of building your own home business from the ground up. There's a great sense of pride when you can truly call a business your own. 2. Follow a profitable business model. Another way to create a cash stream for your work-from-home business is to follow the profitable business model of another. You can learn a lot from others who have already been successful with a home business. Many longtime entrepreneurs are creating ebooks and global networks to help new home business owners become a success. They are revealing little-known secrets about work-from-home businesses that would likely take you years to discover on your own. Look for entrepreneurs who have owned work-from-home businesses in a field that interests you. Use their ideas and examples to create a profitable business model for your new home business. 3. Internet and network marketing. A third way to create a cash stream of income is to utilize the internet and network marketing to your advantage. Find and join a team of individuals who have similar goals and work with them to build a successful online business. With the internet and network marketing, many are realizing their financial goals faster than they ever imagined. Network marketing online can be accomplished through email and a website while working from home, and it can bring more people together with similar goals in a very short period of time. Many global network companies will promote your online business for you and take every initiative to help you become a success. There are even global resorts networks that enable you to travel to exotic places while earning a substantial income. Whatever method you choose to create a cash stream as you work from home, set some goals for your business and start realizing your dreams today.